had this idea. It came to me while I was trying to sleep the other night. It was after I made my kind of failed Pokemon drink tutorial that I wasn't really very happy with. Anyway, so I was lying in bed and I was trying to think, what am I going to do? And all of a sudden, the thought came to me. The Pooping Pokemon series. Now, bear with me. I know that sounds a bit weird. Oh, Archie, no. Basically, what I want to do is make a whole bunch of videos of Pokemon, different themed drinks, but the Pokemon that sit on top of the drink are like little piñatas, and they're filled with different types of lollies, and you pick up the Pokemon, and it basically poos lollies all over the drink. I know it sounds weird, but I think it's going to be cute, and I'm not entirely sure how this is going to play out, but we're going to give it a go, and you can watch me either succeed or fail. So here goes. This is 2 packets of melted white chocolate. I just put this in the microwave 30 seconds at a time until it was melted. I'm going to divide this up and keep some aside for later, and I'm going to turn half of it pink. Okay. I'm going to set some of this white chocolate aside for later. Ooh, I don't need too much. And the rest of it, I'm going to make pink. All right, Archie, that's enough. You want to see what I'm doing? You want to see what I'm making? Stop, please. Oh dear. Okay. Oh, where's my pink food dye? Rose pink food dye. So I'm just going to put a bit of that into the white chocolate. Oh yes. Pink, 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 pink. Oh, well, that worked out well. That's a pretty good shade of Jigglypuff pink. All right, mate. Come on. Back on your cage. Right. I was trying to think of ways that I could actually make a 3D Jigglypuff, and what came to mind was the balloon method. So it's essentially just dunking a balloon in chocolate. So here's how this is going to work. This is a bit weird. I made this contraption, which is just a cooking tray. Going to dip the balloon into the chocolate. Okay, it worked. I'll just smooth off the edges a bit. Okay, ready? Here goes. So I'm going to try and hang this up so it dries. Oh, I think this is going to work. I have a good feeling about this. I'm just going to put a skewer through here. Ha! Success! Oh no, it's all lumpy. Oh dear. Kind of smoothing it off. I'm going to put this in the fridge to set. We're putting a couple of teaspoons of sugar and some milk. And we're going to bring that to the boil until the milk and the sugar are completely combined and the sugar's melted. Okay, while I'm waiting for the Jigglypuff body to set, I'm going to do the rest of Jigglypuff's extremities. So I'm going to use some more white food dye to make her eyes. So I'll just put 2 little circles onto a piece of baking paper. Then I'll use some pink to make the ears, arms, and feet. Jigglypuff's body seems to be set, so here's hoping that I'll be able to actually pop that balloon without destroying the entire thing. Okay, I'll just use a skewer. Ready? Oh, it worked. Okay, I'll just slowly try to pull it away from the edges. Slowly, 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 slowly. Ooh, it's stuck right at the bottom. Yay! It worked. Oh, she's melting in my hands. Okay, great success. So I'll put this on top of a glass. Okay, just pop that there. I'm going to try and make the Jigglypuff swirl, the hair thing. Hope for the best. I'm just going to put a dollop on top. That actually worked all right. That worked a lot better than I thought it would. Okay, that can go into the fridge to set. Now on to Jigglypuff's body parts. Okay, so the ears look like they're triangles. Ah, there we go. That worked well. Now the arms are also triangles by the looks of it. Yeah, that should be okay. Set that. Here's Jigglypuff so far. See if I can put the eyes on. So I'll just use a tiny bit of chocolate on the back to stick them down. I'm so excited, this is going to be so good. Okay, that better go in the fridge to set. Okay, ombre time. So I'll put the white in first. I want this to look like a liquid Pokeball. So this is my red velvet that's not yet red. This is the white velvet part. Now, I added red food dye to it. And I'm just pouring it out of the jug because that way I've got a bit more control over how I pour it. I'm going to pour it onto the back of a spoon as slowly as I can. Okay, I'm just going to do that all the way around the glass. Huh, it actually worked. Look at that. Okay, out comes Jigglypuff. Set my drink aside and hope that it stays ombre while I do this. Now there needs to be a little bit of black on the ears, which I forgot. Yeah, and Jigglypuff normally has big blue eyes, or they're kind of like bluey green, but we'll see how we go with blue. Okay, the whites of the eyes. Look. Ah, and she needs a mouth too, but I don't trust this black food dye enough to draw on a little mouth, so I will do it with a skewer. Oh my god, I can't believe I did it. Okay, I might just put that away to set for a minute. Okay, using some of this is the first time I've ever used this. This is a Vanilla Bliss Aunt Betty's whipped cream. Okay, now for the pooping Pokemon part. So I got some M&Ms. These are Neapolitan M&Ms because I figured if a Jigglypuff was going to do a poo, it would probably be pink and brown. So I'm going to put a whole bunch of these inside the Jigglypuff. And hope that it doesn't fall apart while I'm doing it. Okay, now let's see how we go. Uh-oh. Should have seen that one coming. There we have it. I shouldn't have filled it up so much because now it's gone everywhere. But it still looks cute.